Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Selena. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do know, welcome back. How you doing? I'm glad that you're back. I came up with this look that I did right here. I did some brown liner, I used some flary lashes, and I did a lip with no lip gloss, so that's always a plus. And I used some products today that I'm actually really excited to show you guys. So yeah, sit tight, enjoy the video, but before you continue to watch, stop right now, subscribe, watch the video, then like it, and turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss any videos whenever I post them up. Okay? Okay, so today I am excited to be playing with one of my oldie but goodie palettes by Juvia's Place. This is the Masquerade palette. Look how beautiful that is. That top right there. Oh yeah, I'm feeling the vibe. This is what the palette looks like inside. I already know you guys are looking at this color and that color and all of these colors, but I'm using these today. So I'm gonna go in with this Burkina color. Burkina. I'm gonna mess up the names, so please don't come for me. First, I'm gonna take Burkina and I'm gonna start putting that into my transition. Next, I will be taking this color Cairo, this orange color right there. It kind of has like a little bit of flex in it. You see at the top right here, I already started putting a little bit in there. You see how it is right there? Like, I want this to all be like this. So usually I take this brush. You guys already know how I feel about this brush. It's like little, small. It's really easy for me to get into. Okay, so next, for the next step, now that I have my transition down and I'm ready to rock on this side, I am now going to be taking my NYX glitter primer. This glitter primer is bomb. One of the makeup artists that I follow on Instagram, her name is Amandizu. I have like the hugest makeup girl crush on her. She knows. I tell her all the time that I got the OD crush on her. I said on her live one time that she uses this instead of using concealer as far as putting different shadows in with. And I think that was very interesting. But since I've learned that from her, I have used that method a few times. It's actually an excellent way to apply a color that you really want with, you know, like a shimmer or something that's metallic, anything foiled. Definitely get you some NYX glitter primer. Next color that I'm gonna take is Casablanca, which is this color. It's kind of like a gold, copperish, orange-ish color. Oh my goodness. I just want to stop so you guys can... You see that? You see that? Boy, oh my goodness. So now with no extra product, I'm going to be taking my Pro Blending Fluff right here. And I'm just going to take out the harsh lines again, kind of just like marry everything together. Okay, so now that that's down, I'm now going to be going in with this color Fulani right here, which is kind of like a brown, a taupey brown. I'm going to use that color just to close off the eyes. Okay guys, I'm not necessarily the best with doing eyeliner on camera, and at the moment I don't have a mirror that's like more higher for me to be able to show you guys how I do my liner. If you guys are interested in a video on how I do my liner, then I will definitely show you, but as of right now that's not something I'm really like professional at, but you know. Okay, I just took a little bit of my True Brown K by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to be taking my lashes, my very faves Cocoa lashes in the style Venus, and I love them. Look how beautiful. How gorgeous is that? Today I will be using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This mascara is bomb. It's 1000% makes your lashes look And it's drugstore. You guys already know how I feel about drugstore mascaras. I'm now gonna take the color Dahlia, this color right here, and I'm just gonna put it inside of my inner corner. Okay, so today I'm gonna be taking my Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. You guys know I love this stuff. It's amazing. I think I told you guys why I love it so much. This moisturizer is like amazing because it gets tacky once it starts like sinking into your skin, and that's what you want at all times, always, 24/7. You know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Next, I'm gonna be taking my Pores No More primer by Dr. Brandt. This is just like a pore filler. You guys know I use moisturizer, then I use some sort of pore filler for my bumpy ass nose. Now for the concoction, it's gonna be my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I am in the color 3W2, which is Cashew. Also gonna be taking my MAC Strobe Cream. You guys already know I love this. I used it in my first video. I do not have a pump on my Estee Lauder foundation, but it's only because the top is like this. But normally, guys, if I ever have foundations that don't have a pump, I just go buy a pump to put a pump. A lot of you were asking me, how does my Maybelline Fit Me have a pump? I bought a pump at MAC and I put it on top of it so that way I don't waste product, because you know, no pump, mucho product, and I don't need mucho product. So I'm gonna take, that's the Estee Lauder foundation. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Strobe Cream, like that much. I'm gonna take my Morphe M439. It's just a huge foundation brush. I'm taking my Real Techniques sponge. I actually like this sponge better than I like the Beauty Blend. And for concealer today, I'm not going to be using my Shade Tape. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I am in the color Medium Light, and I'm going to be taking that under my eye, my regular triangles. I'm going to be taking my matchstick in Suede by Fenty Beauty. It kind of looks just like the other cream contour that I use all the time, but this is bomb. Oh, and by the way, today's spray that I'm using is my Mario Badescu spray. Sorry about my lights, guys. Sometimes they wash out stuff. Next, I'm going to be taking my Dermablend powder in Translucent. I will be using this to set my face. I don't recommend baking at all to anybody, ever. But for me personally, if you're a person who's like me, my smile lines are too crazy for me not to bake. Next, I'm going to be taking the usual, my ABH bronzer in Cappuccino. Next is another rouge, my blush trio in Peachy Love. And then I'm also going to be taking another oldie but a goodie, my ABH highlighter and So Hollywood. This highlighter is the OG of OG highlighters. So today I'm not going to be taking my Cork lip liner. Today I'm going to be taking my lip liner by MAC in Whirl. Same thing, same kind of color scheme-ish, you know? And then for the lipstick, I'm going to be taking Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. This is also another oldie but goodie. Okay, and now to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. You guys know these are my sheets. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I am obsessed, you know, regular shit. Ultimately, my most favorite thing about today's tutorial was me being able to show you guys my concoction. This is a really good combo. You guys need to try this. This is such a good combo. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening wherever you are, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye.